Welcome back, beautiful people. We are here with another video. I'm excited to be filming this one because I just love sharing products with the girls, because when I first started becoming a natural gal, I spent a lot of unnecessary money on products. Now, you do have to have your trial and error because everybody's hair texture is not the same. So you do have to go through some trialing. Is the camera crooked? Sorry, y'all. This is gonna drive me crazy because I feel like y'all are crooked. No, it looks real crooked. Okay. I don't know if that's better, but yeah. So everybody's hair texture is different. So, you know, naturally you're gonna have to find what works best for you, but we go overboard. And by we, I mean me and you, because that's why you're watching this video, because you know you be going overboard too. I just like to try everything, but then you end up wasting money on things that are not your, or not for your type of hair. And then it just ends up sitting and collecting dust. Thankfully, I have a sister and a bunch of nieces, so if something doesn't work for my hair, I can give it to them. My mom, you know, I have other women in my life whose hair texture is completely different from mine. By the way, I know y'all noticed the straight hair. Well, this is actually, let's see, this is actually the 10th day. It's like, girl, are you in school? You can't do math. But I was just trying to think, like, when did I get my hair straightened? This is the 10th day. I got this little beach wave vibe going on because I've been wearing my hair in 2 braids. I'm over wrapping it. So now I'm going for a new look before I wash it. Y'all, I really be holding on to this straight hair for so long. Like 10 days is crazy because by now I would have definitely washed my hair if it was just like an afro, but I just am like preserving the straight hair by all means. So yeah, but I'm loving my hair. I got it done. If you're in the Tampa area, Dolled by Dia, she's really good with natural hair. I'll leave her information down below. So before we get into the video, y'all know the routine. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and let's get into it. Okay, so as you guys have already seen from the title, today we are going to discuss most of the products that I've been using this year, 2023, for my hair to help keep it moisturized, to help it grow, you know, just for it to be its best, get my curls popping. I use different combinations, but I have it separated. You guys can't see this mess in front of me, but I actually have everything separated, like by conditioners or shampoos, leave-ins, styling products, oils, all that good stuff. So let's go ahead and jump into it. So I guess we should start off with shampoos first. I just have 2 that I've been using a lot. I actually have one more, but it's at my other house, so can't show you guys that one. But it's just the, it's by Mael Organics, and it's the the Sea Moss collection. Their shampoo, I really like that. It's like an anti-shedding, so I use that. I also received a PR package. Let's focus. I received a PR package from this company in Love, and if you guys are veterans here, then you already saw that video. I actually do love this shampoo. It suds up a lot, especially if your hair is super oily and you don't want it to be that oily. I feel like this is a really good cleansing shampoo. It doesn't leave your hair like with buildup. It kind of dries it out a little bit, which, you know, I don't want to say that in a bad way, because sometimes people need their hair dried out a little bit. So this shampoo, top notch. And then I was also gifted the Poppin' Pineapple collection by Curls. and I've been using this curl wash a lot. This is super moisturizing. If your hair is dry, so the other one is if your hair is a bit oily, but if your hair is dry and you need some moisture in your life, baby, this is it. So those are the two shampoos that I've been using pretty consistently, and I love them both. Okay, then I have two conditioners, and they're both by the same people also. The In Love conditioner. I really like this one. It moisturizes my hair and it smells really good. I love products that smell good. So that smells really good. And then the Poppin' Pineapple Curl Mask. I love this one. Also, I've been using, so the curl mask, I leave this on for, it says 5 to 10 minutes. I usually leave it on for like 20. I don't know if you're supposed to, but whatever, it works good on my hair. Love it, the smell, amazing. But I've also used the OG Mielle Organics, the mint, Babassu, the Babassu mint. That mask, I can only leave it in for the time that it says on there because the smell is very powerful. But I be having dry scalp sometimes, and my girls who know. And so that really helps with the dry scalp. So yep, those are my recommended conditioners, masks, those sorts of things. All right, next we'll go into the leave-ins. I have Miss Donna's Recipe. If you know, you know. This is from Miss Tabitha Brown. The sweet potato pie extra creamy leave-in. Oh my god, and it really smells like a sweet potato pie, and I'm pretty sure it has sweet potatoes in the ingredients. Yeah, made with real sweet potatoes, stirred with vanilla and sprinkled with warm cinnamon. Literally, it smells like that. It smells like fall. It's a, ooh, it smells so good. It's actually pretty much empty, but I love that. And it's super inexpensive. Like, that's what I love about really all these products. They're not really expensive products, and that is number one. Like, I don't want to be spending all my coins, baby, because we got goals. So that, the Poppin' Pineapple leave-in, of course, I use this because it smells amazing. It smells like a fruity pineapple. The In Love leave-in conditioner. I haven't used this one as much because I've been kind of hooked on the Poppin' Pineapple, but I really love the smell of these In Love products. They smell really good, and it does moisturize your hair. So I've been using that one sometimes too. And you gotta think it's November, so, you know, 12 months of, I just, you know, been dibbling and dabbling in all of these. And then the OG Cantu leave-in conditioning cream. This is going to be a staple every year. I'm pretty sure I put it in my video from last year. I've been using Cantu products since like the beginning of my hair journey. This leave-in conditioner. Okay, so next we will do oils. So again, Donna's Recipe. This is the extra creamy hair and scalp oil. It smells exactly like the sweet potato leave-in. Very, very good smell. And I really like it because, it's like hair in there. It's like, you see how it's like, almost like how shea butter is. Like, it's a solid, or coconut oil. This is more the consistency of coconut oil. It's like a solid, but then when you start rubbing it on your hands, it starts, almost ripped my earring out. It starts to become more of a liquid. I love this. It really does make your hair super soft too. And I use it on my scalp and my hair, whatever. Of course, the Poppin' Pineapple, she gonna put the Poppin' Pineapple on everything because it does smell so good. And I love Curls products. You know, I used to be hooked on the blueberry products because they smell amazing too. Poppin' Pineapple, they outdid themselves. So This is the So Fresh. It always makes me think of So Fresh and So Clean. The vitamin C and mint. Oh my gosh, y'all. First of all, this smells good. Second of all, your scalp gonna be tingling, baby. Oh my gosh, it feels so good. Like, I really love this oil. I be just massaging my scalp, you know, because if you don't know, you know, you're about to learn. You need to be massaging your scalp if you want that hair to grow. So, gotta stimulate them follicles, okay? This, love it. And then I recently partnered with a company called Save My Hair. I don't know if you guys can see all of that, but they sent me this miracle rice oil. So I've been trying this out. So far I like it. I mean, it doesn't really have like a notable smell. Yeah, I mean, it smells like an oil. It doesn't have anything special about it, but it had really good reviews on it. And we love a Black-owned, woman-owned business. So far I'm loving it. You guys can maybe see how much I've used of it, and I just massage it into my scalp. I actually have been using this in place of this one because I'm trying to see, like, you know, do I see a difference? So I, you know, massage it on my scalp and run it through my ends because my hair is actually still growing really well, but we had to cut quite a few inches off of this, so this is what was left over, which, I mean, I don't mind because it's gonna shrivel up once I wash it anyways. But yeah, I really want to see how well this works, so I'll probably be ordering some more of that. And last but not least, we have our styling products. One of the ones that I did not have with me is the In Love foaming mousse. It's at my other house, and oh my gosh, I really wish I had that on here, but if you follow me on my socials, you know I already been ranting and raving about it. That foaming mousse, girl, it's like, it just has your curls like when my hair, especially in the front, y'all know how I go. The back of your hair be one texture, the side be this texture, this. So the front of my hair is not even that curly, but it was bringing them curls out. So the foaming mousse, love it. And it's on my Amazon storefront, so check the description box below because I do pretty much have all of these items, actually, I think, in my all things beauty section on my storefront. So shameless plug, check your girl's storefront out because I'm never gonna steer y'all wrong, and I don't want y'all wasting money. So that, I wanted to touch on that one. The curl defining jelly from the Poppin' Pineapple collection. If you have ever used Curl's Blueberry Bliss jelly, it gotta be the same formula with a different smell because this gets them curls popping. And that blueberry, the first time I used that Blueberry Bliss, I was like, oh my God, I didn't even know my hair curled like that. This does the same thing. So I really have been enjoying that, plus the smell. We have the Cantu Curling Custard. Is that what this is? Yeah, the Define and Shine Curling Custard. It's like a liquidy jelly. Can't tip it over too much. It smells good. It smells like Cantu products, but I really like it. It really does get your curls popping. We have the Shine and Hold Mist from Cantu. This gives you a very nice hold, minus the flaky, crusty looking residue. You don't have that with this. So I really like this. I've been using that. And then also the Maelle, this is an OG for me, the Curl Smoothie. The Maelle pomegranate and honey line, if you have hair like mine that's thick very coarse, this collection is wonderful. I swear by that too. All the different items, the leave-in, I don't have the leave-in here, it's at my other house, but that be in rotation as well. So yep, that's it. Those are, I'm actually gonna put some of this oil in now, but those are the products that I am using, my 2023 products of the year that I would recommend for, ooh, I'm just pulling on this earring. I'm gonna take this earring out. That's the 2023 recommendations for my girls, you know, I'm always trying to put y'all on with the hair products so that we are not wasting money, honey, because we got things to do. So like I said, make sure to check out my storefront because I have majority of these items linked on there. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in. Share this with a friend, one of your natural gals. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you all had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and I hope you have a beautiful holiday coming up. Let's finish this year strong, and I will see you guys later.